Hello and welcome back to Makeup and Chill with Casey. Today I wanted to do a little video about a quick little makeup to get you out the door real fast. Let's begin, shall we? Well, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get my hair out of the way. It's slightly damp. I'm just going to clip her back. And we'll go over some of the products that I have. These are all, mostly all drugstore, but they're all affordable. So the first thing is concealer. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, which is like $3 or $4 at the drugstore. Really like it. This is the Loreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. Pretty good. This is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Shape and Fill brow pencil thing. And then I have a few Colourpop products. I have a highlighter, have a little Super Shock eyeshadow, and a Lippie stick. Without further ado, let's get into the toot. So the first thing I like to do when I'm in a hurry is I just grab concealer. If I have like just a few minutes, I'll just put a little concealer on, and I use a brush instead of a wet sponge just because I don't have to get the sponge wet and it's so much faster. So I'll just put a little under the eyes, maybe like on some pimples or whatever's going on, and I just feel so much fresher. I don't even set it with a powder. I probably should, but I don't. I mean, you could if you wanted to. That's just another step. So if I'm going to be a step up from that, I'll put the concealer on where I want it. It's always going to be under the eyes at least. And I might add a little highlight to the cheekbones, down the nose, Cupid's bow, a little up here, a little over here. And that is usually the Pure Nude Essence highlighter, which is $3 or $4. It's really natural. It just gives me a little color to my cheeks because when I put the concealer on, it tends to kind of wash me out. So I like to have a little highlight, and it's kind of golden. It gives me a nice little glow. If I want to go up a step, I'll add mascara. If I want to go up a little bit more, I might add a little CC cream. But today I'm going to keep it pretty basic. So let's begin. I am going to take my concealer and put it under my eyes to conceal those bags, those dark circles. See, it's not like I'm not getting enough sleep. I go to bed at like 8 o'clock. I love going to sleep. These are just natural things I've had since I was born. I think I've had eye bags since the day I was born. So already I feel like, woo, I feel much better. I just put it down the nose. I mean, pretty much I'm using a concealer as foundation, but I don't actually put it everywhere. I just put it kind of in the center of the face. And I don't even always cover like my little problem areas, but sometimes I do. And I will today just because. So I love these beauty sponges. This is the Real Techniques one from Walmart. They're like $5. You can get a pack like of 4 for like 20 or something like that. It has the flat side, which I like for just putting the foundation all over, and the tip side, the pointed side, I like using for concealer underneath my eyes. And you don't want to rub these, and you want to get them damp. You put them under the faucet and squeeze them until they feel nice and squishy. So I'm not swiping, I am pushing the product into my skin, and I'm also just taking what's left over of that concealer and putting it onto my eyes just to cover any like darkness or redness. So basically I'm putting it into those high points of the face, but I'm kind of spreading it around everywhere. So yeah, it is kind of acting as a foundation. but it's cheaper than my foundation, so that's why I like to use this. Alright, so that's blended out. Looks pretty good. The next thing I'm going to do is my eyebrows. Now, I don't do my eyebrows every day, but I do feel more put together if I have them on. If I want them to just look shaped, I might just put a little bit of brow gel in them. And if you don't do your eyebrows, then don't do them. Some people are blessed with very beautiful, voluptuous eyebrowsios that have the lovely shape and they go on for miles and miles. I hate doing my eyebrows. It's so time consuming, so sometimes I just put the brow gel in and go. But anyways, with this I just kind of make a line tracing the shape that I want underneath, and since it's kind of a lighter day, I just kind of do that and spoolie it out and maybe fill in some sparse areas where I want a little bit more color. So fun facts about me. Okay, I have 3 dogs and I'm kind of obsessed with my dogs. Their names are Fiona Berlin, we call her Fifi, Luna, Lunatic, yes, we call her Lunatic, and Stella, and we call her Fatty. And they are so funny. They make me laugh every day. I'll probably put them in this video at some point. On New Year's Day this year, I went to the ER because I was having some abdominal pain and ended up having appendicitis. And I was like, oh, goodness. But, you know, I'm just really thankful that I actually went, because I was really contemplating on going to the hospital because I thought, this will just, this will go away tomorrow. Because I've been having a lot of stomach pains the past, like, couple weeks. Just thinking it was, early stomach flu symptoms. Been taking Pepto-Bismol and then just, going to bed really early. So, I'm glad that this happened. It didn't burst, thank God. We caught it in time. They took it out. They said it was very angry. A very angry appendix. I have 3 stitches. They are pretty ugly right now. I'm still pretty tender, but I feel so much better than I did New Year's Day. And I'm glad that it was appendicitis and not something so much worse. It could have been, unthinkable things. Like, it could have been so much worse than it was. And appendicitis is really not that big of a deal. So, yeah, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling pretty good today. I've just been so bored. Been so bored at home. So I started doing this YouTube thing, which is actually something I've been wanting to do for such a long time. Oh, let me quit talking and get back to this. Anyway, I'm gonna go on with this is Colourpop's Lunch Money Super Shock Cheek. These are, I think, $8 or so, and you get them online. These are the Super Shock shadows. These are $5. Their Lippie sticks are $5. Totally recommend Colourpop. They are amazing, like, good quality brand that is, like, way cheaper than the high-end stuff, but it is high-end quality. And they have a lot of fun launches, and they come out with new stuff all the time. So I'm going to take my little sponge and dip it into this weird, like, gel cream formula. And I'm just going to put that on my cheeks for a little glow. Now I'm just gonna go in with this Birthday Girl Super Shock Shadow and the Ultra Glitter formula. These are just so cool. I've always heard about the way these felt, but when I actually stuck my finger in it, I was like, what? What? I didn't expect it to feel like so greasy. So like, I don't know. It moves around a lot. It's so cool. And these are best applied with your finger, which is great for the girl on the go. If you really just want a little, you know, you want to look put together, you're going out, but you like, your friend's gonna be here in like 5 minutes, and you're still laying on the couch with Cheetos on your chest, this is what you do. This is the makeup look that you do. I should really take my own advice. I have been that person. Yeah, I'm just putting that all over the lid and a little bit into the crease, a little bit. So next thing, we're almost done. I can't believe it. The next thing is mascara. And when I was in high school, I had like the same tube of mascara for like 2 years. And when I would do my mascara, I would just be like, blah, blah, and then be done. Blah, blah. Blah, blah, and then really mascara is pretty freaking amazing. And you have to put more on than just a blah, blah. That face you make when you do your mascara. I have some ideas for videos, and I know a lot of people are really big fans of Jaclyn Hill, and I am myself. I love her, and Kathleen Lights. And recently I got Jaclyn Hill's, I got her palette for my birthday from my husband, and I was thinking I could do a series of like 5 looks using one palette. And I know they take a lot of work to edit because it's like different days and it takes a long time to, it's so much work for one video, but I have enjoyed watching them so much. And I think that other people will like those too. And I also have the Kathleen Lights Dream Street Colourpop collaboration too. And I don't know if any of you have this, but I thought it would be fun to do a 3-in-1 palette or 5-in-1 palette. I don't know if I want to do it in one video or if I want to make it a series that kind of, then I would have more content. So anyway, we have mascara, and we have a little highlight, we have concealer, and I have some mascara flecks on my eyes. I just let those dry and then I whisk them off with a, what is that called? A Q-tip. Oh my goodness, I couldn't think of what that was. Today I'm going to be using the Colourpop. This is like a Lippie to-go pencil. It has a pencil, a lip pencil on one side, and it has the little Lippie on the other side. And I love these. This is like a mini size, but the normal ones, they look like this. I love the way the lipstick comes out because you can really get a precise application with how small that is. And I love the formula of these. Yeah, definitely check Colourpop out. If you're kind of on a budget but you want some cool shit, check them out. This is the shade Cami. I'm not going to use the pencil because too much work. No, I'm on the go. I'm in a hurry. I'm in a hurry and don't know why. And boop, just comes right off. Pro tip. Well, that completes this look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. It's super easy and just makes you look put together. really fast. I mean, if I was in a hurry, I could probably do this in 5 to 10 minutes. So if you want to just look put together and pretty, but you're in a hurry and you got to go, this is the look that you needs to know. Let me go get my dogs and we will say goodbye. This is my firstborn. Her name's Fiona. We call her the Thief. Oh, she's just so sweet. She just loves to play. She just wants to play all day. She's content playing by herself. Say hi. This is Luna. Hi, Luna. She's gonna be 2 sometime this month. Maybe she's already 2. I don't know. Does that make me a bad dog, Mom? This is my crazy little puppy. Her name is Stella. Oh. Those are my puppers. So I hope that my dogs brought you a little sunshine into your day. Hip hip hooray. Have a great day.